Decked. We just reimagined the truck bed. It takes a hell of a lot of gear to make it through the work week. Keep it organized. Manufactured in America with a 2,000-pound deck load rating. Fits nearly all full-size pickup trucks. No drilling needed. Utilize engineering that's as tough as nails. It's backed by a 3-year limited warranty, so don't hold back. It's weatherproof and secure. What's in your drawers? Anything heavy? Each drawer holds up to 200 pounds. Easy. Store your work or your play. Be ready for any adventure. Decked, a universal truck bed solution. Work smarter, play harder.